You know, oh my god, did one of you guys just let it rip or something?
Sing it, guys. The things I did, just so I could call you.
Worlds, mix it all together, and you know that it's the best of both worlds.
What can I say? You want me to have the worst? I look good.
Guess you didn't cheat, but you're still a traitor. Just to shut me down, show her off like she's a new trophy.
Knock it off. And I was like slowly regretting my life choices, and I was like, all right, you know what? I can't wait to be canceled.
Yeah.
Wait, give me a second. Give me a second. Seriously? Jace is my babe. Jace is my... And obviously, we have to work the pose and everything.
Have you ever had a pet
so,
turtle?
can you not talk to me?
Some days, things just take way too much of my energy. I look up and the whole room's spinning. What about me? Yeah.
Like one day I'll post a picture of it, but it'll be like really zoomed in and you guys are gonna be like, what is this photo? And no one's gonna know that it's my ass cheek.
Excuse me, yeah. Excuse me, excuse me,
Thank you. Alright, so listen, on that note, now we gotta practice the cat hissing sound. Let's go.
I'm not listening to this goodbye song.
Why did that scare me a little bit? It was like a jump scare.
Cause oh, you got a bad reputation. Yeah.
Guys, I look cute. Can someone edit this into an edit? Never mind. I take it back. Summer, 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 summer!
I could disappear. Ego crush is so severe. God, it's brutal out here. Are you ready? But I can't help getting caught up in it all. Yeah, can't compare it, son. Sing! I wanna be you so bad and I don't even know you. All I see. Do you get deja vu? Oh. 'Cause you said forever, now I drive alone past your street. You said forever, now I drive alone past your street. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Ruma. It's lovely to meet you.
Cat girl?
How are you today?
Alright, let's try this again. Okay.
Back to what I was saying, okay? So what do you mean right behind you, the window? God, guys, actually stop it. It's making me nervous. It's making me really nervous.
Yeah.
Dive in the water like a private island. For a 35, we can 69 it. And I've been a bad girl, put this pussy on a good list. I hope you ain't tired, we ain't stopping till I finish.
Oh, fuck no. Lucas is so brave. Oh, Lucas, you got close there. You almost shat your pants, I heard that. Yeah, Lucas, like, please don't die.
Yeah. You like what you see again. Got time, I felt it. I really felt it. Maybe I'm just throwing all this shit up in my head. Yeah.
3. 4.
He shoots. He misses.
2, 1.
Yeah.
Guys on chat on TikTok spam the rock face.
Say you love me, baby. Just know if you love me and think of me fondly when your hands are on her. I hope you're happy, but don't be happier.
If you're looking for an energy formula that'll boost your mood, focus, and energy, well, Poggers is right for you. They have a new flavor, Cream Dream, which is a blend of orange and vanilla ice cream. Use code COLINCAMACHO for money off. Link in bio.
Yeah.
I want some chocolate. I know you want some chocolate. Let me see what I have in the sleeve. Whoa!
Excuse me,
Who
sir.
just did
Who are
that?
you?
I'm gonna play the piano too. Okay, are you guys ready?
I just got here. WTF are you doing?
Okay.
I've been looking under rocks and breaking locks, just trying to find you. I've been like a maniac, insomniac, 5 steps behind you, telling other girls, making with the exit checklist.
Ah, this is fucking scary.
Yeah.
Guys, it's down already. I don't know you guys. 5 seconds left.
Yeah.
You need to pray to Nicki Minaj.
Not coming up.
You said you were friends, now it sure as hell don't look like it. You betrayed me, and I know that you'll never feel.
Up. Switch them out if you need to. Let's stay down.
Fuck you.
Yeah.
Colin, why have you replaced your teeth with pieces of corn?
Yeah.